Hey guys, it's Nanda from Nanda's Crafts. Welcome to my channel. In my Disney series today, I have Princess Elsa cardboard panel wall decor. It turned out so cute. So this cardboard panel is the same size as the other one that I showed in my previous video, which it is the Olaf cardboard panel wall decor, and on the sides of this cardboard panel is 2 centimeters tall. And in here I glued the scrapbook paper from Princess Elsa, and on the sides and on the back of the cardboard panel I glue the black cardstock. And after that, I apply 2 coats of the Mi Wax protective finish, which is this one right here. So far, I enjoy using the Mi Wax protective finish. So I apply 2 coats in the front and 2 coats in the back. I really enjoy the finished look that is in here, as you can see. And then after it's completely dry, I added the embellishments, and then I decided to go with the clear gemstones. And then in here, as you can see, I punch a lot of the snowflakes with this paper punch, and then I glue all in here, and then I apply stickers on top of each one, and they turn out so cute. I apply stickers right here too, and in a few of these snowflakes. And right here where it says, some people are worth it melting for. So this cardboard panel wall decor from Princess Elsa turned out so cute. I just love it. How about you? Comment down below what you're thinking about it. And this is the video for today. I really appreciate this time that you spend with me. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you here. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!